Today I would like to share you how to customize the iPhone 14 Pro Max or the iPhone 14 Pro, especially on a dynamic island. As you can see here, I have this nice dynamic island, a custom wallpaper. This is a wallpaper that I created by myself, and I would like to share to all of you. I have made 3 wallpapers that you can set it on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Here are the wallpaper that you can try. So this is the one, and then I have the other one with the gradient color. With this one you have gradient color, and then you have like a water here, a water that kind of drop from dynamic island, so it gives you like a custom one. Now let me show you how to download and how to save it into your iPhone. What you're gonna do, you need to have a Telegram account, and then you can join my Telegram channel, which I already provided in my comment section. Then you're gonna find this amazing 3 wallpaper that I have created by myself. So you just go ahead and go into it, and then just save the wallpaper into your camera roll, and you can set it on your iPhone. So this only work on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The 14 Pro does not work. So let me go into photo here, and then all I have to do, just click on the share button, and then I can set it on my iPhone here. Now let me click on done, and then I'm gonna click on customize home screen because I don't need blur, and then let me click on done, and right here you're gonna find this nice dynamic island, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Then I will see you guys in the next one.